like let's say you have a dish that was soaked in cold water, like a dairy dish that's soaked in cold water for 24 hours. Is there any problem with that?
In what water? Like dirty water, clean water, what water?
Let's say you have like a pot in cold for 24 hours and cold dirty milk water. Like let's say just like milk, for example.
So okay, so let me just repeat the question and you say if I got it. So the question is, if I understand correctly, so you have a meat pot, like then you put it in your sink, let's say, and you had this I don't know, like cold water from I don't know, from the milk pot, and you pour into meat pot and you let it soak for 24 hours. Is it the question?
No, my question is like, let's say you have like an actual dairy liquid, like a milk, straight up milk.
Oh, okay. So and what? Okay, got it. So you have so you have a cold milk, let's say, right? So that's a good example. Cold milk, and you pour into this clean. Well, let's say clean. Let's make it simplify, right? Clean pot, meat pot that was not used for 24 hours. So after the fact, there is no problem. After the fact, if it was not clean, right, and it was soaked for 24 hours, so we were learning about soaking more than 24 hours. It depends what. So for some liquids, it's not even 24 hours. If it's like sharp liquids, it has what is like a what is it called? Well, some sharp liquids, so that the taste is going to absorb sooner. But with water, it's 24 hours, right? So the difference is whether this utensil was used for opposite for meat during the 24 hours or not. So if it was used for during the 24 hours, right, and then you pour this milk, of course you cannot drink the milk.
So what if it's a pot, like a brand new pot you just put in the milk, but it's nothing, it's part, and then you like take a bucket of milk, you soak it in the milk. For example, like hypothetical, you soak it in the milk for 24 hours, cold milk. You put it in the milk for 24 hours. Is the pot going to be dairy?
Dairy, yes. It's going to absorb, yes.
Okay, thank you, Rabbi. Thank you.
Yes. So this 24 hours, it's a special exception. I mean, as we said before, but there is even for these sharp liquids, right? It's even less than 24 hours. Right, the sharp liquids that they use, for example, to pickle and for pickles, for other foods, right? That's some of them works actually in 18 minutes. We said. Okay.
Thank you so much, Rabbi. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good questions.